Hello friends, as of now we have got a standard form of quadratic equation, that is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and solution of this equation is x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2. So this is the formula of quadratic equation, and with this formula you can solve any quadratic equation in the world, in anywhere. If you asked to solve any quadratic equation, then you can use this formula. Okay, so this is the standard format of this quadratic equation, and this is the solution of that quadratic equation. That what is that? X is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. So in our last video we have learned how the solution of this standard quadratic equation is obtained, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. So today we will discuss one simple example. Okay, after that we will go to some other properties of this solution of this standard quadratic equation. Okay, so today we just simply solve a simple question. Okay, so in that case we will start this simple example. Okay, so today we will do the simple example question, that is example number 4.3, and question number 1. Today we will do the first one. Okay, what it is? Twice x square plus it is minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. It is in the same format of this standard quadratic equation. Okay, this standard quadratic equation in the same format. There is 3 terms, there is equal, and there is 0. Okay, so we can just simply compare with this standard quadratic equation. So it is what is attached with x square, that is a, what is attached with x, that is b, and what is without x, that is c. Okay, so in our example the term without x के बिना जो term है, that is c. So x बिना term is 3, that is c is equal to 3. x के साथ जो है, that is b. x के साथ जो b है, b. So in this case it is x के साथ, this is 7, so b is 7, but b के सामने in the standard equation is plus 7, so we can say this b is minus 7. Okay, so what is with x square, that is a. So x square के साथ यहाँ पे क्या है, 2 है, so a is 2. Okay, so we can just furthermore simplify this formula, this problem. We can write like this. We can write this. This is no problem. We can write this plus minus 7 x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, So what is attached with x square? X square के साथ जो attached है 2. Then if we compare plus this plus this plus and this plus, okay. So what is attached with x? That is b. So and is attached with x is minus 7, that is b, and this plus is this plus, we can compare. So that is without x, x के बिना अगर जो है वो है c. So here it is 3, okay. So we can write here, we can write here just simply okay. So here what we can write, a is 2, okay, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 3. So we have found all the three constant a, b, c. So what we can write now? We know for the standard formula, what do we know? We know x is equal to, what do we know, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, okay. So what we can write now? We can put the value of abc, okay. हम लोग अभी abc का वैल्यू जो है for that particular problem we can put here in this formula, okay. So we have found a is 2, b is minus 7, c is equal 3, okay. So what we'll do is that we just simply put minus this minus here, okay. Then b, what is the value of b? b का value क्या है? b का value क्या है? minus 7. So ये minus, okay. So b का value अभी put करेंगे. b का value क्या है? minus 7. So minus 7. So दो माइनस आ जाएगा, इसीलिए हम ब्रैकेट दे देगा, ओके. So this minus is this minus, okay. So b का वैल्यू हम अभी पुट करेंगे, b का वैल्यू minus 7. So minus 7. Then what it is? Plus minus, plus and minus, okay. Then root over b square. b is what? minus 7. b square, b के ऊपर में स्क्वायर है, so b is minus 7, तो minus 7 के ऊपर स्क्वायर होगा, तो माइनस के ऊपर भी स्क्वायर होगा, 7 के ऊपर भी स्क्वायर होगा, तो what we get minus whole square, minus 7 square. Then this minus we can put here, okay. So now 4 into a, so a का वैल्यू क्या है? 2. Then c का वैल्यू क्या है? 3. So this line is this line. So ऊपर का वैल्यू हम डाल दिया, तो नीचे क्या है? twice है. 2 into a. 2 into a is 2, okay. So up to this it is very simple. So now we need to simplify these things, okay. So what we can do here, so this equal is this, so whatever in the left hand side, that is x. So this line we have दिस लाइन वी पुट दिस लाइन. ओके, सो इस लाइन के ऊपर जो है उस लाइन के नीचे जो है वो हम सोल्व करेंगे. उस लाइन के नीचे क्या है 2 into 2, that is we can write 4. Okay, now -7 root bracket -7, so minus minus we can say +7. Now this is plus minus root over -7 whole square. What we can write here? -7 whole square means -7 whole square means -7 into -7. तो अल्टीमेटली 2 -7 मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा. तो दिस माइनस 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 प्लस, this minus will be multiplied by this minus, so minus minus we can write plus, and 7 into 7, that is 49. Okay, so we can write 49. So this is -7 whole square. So -7 whole square. तो -7 whole square means 2 minus multiplication, 2 -7 whole square. So we can write 49. So instead of this, इसके जगह में हम क्या लिख सकते हैं 49. Okay, then this is minus. So you can simply multiply this. 4 into 2, 4 8 is 2, 8 is 3 is 24. Okay, very simple. So we have put the value of ABC and then we have done simplification. Simple. Okay, so we can write x is equal to, you simply write, you can simply write this. Okay, you should not write this one, this is first formula. Okay, so now we can write what we can write. So x is equal, this line we can simply draw it. So उस लाइन के नीचे में 4 है, so this will be again 7 plus minus then root over 49 minus 24, it will be 25. Okay, so we can further simplify this. How it is? So इसमें 4 आएगा, तो 7 plus minus, what does it mean? Root over 25. Root over 25, what does it mean? मतलब 25 का वर्गमूल है, the square root of 25. This means this is a mathematical expression, and if we say it in a sentence, then we can write that is 25 का square root है. So 25 का square root is 5. This is nothing but a symbol to denote square root. The square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So this is square root of 25. So in place of square root of 25, we can write 5. Okay. So after that, there is nothing to do because we have 7 plus minus 5, then 4. Okay. So now we can write, this is a quadratic equation. We will have two solutions. So first solution will be 7 plus 5 divided by 4, and then second solution will be 7 minus 5 divided by 4. So we can simply write, hence x is equal to first 7, this plus 5 divided by 4, and x is equal to 7 plus we have root, so एक बार plus एक बार minus होगा, so minus 5 divided by 4. So everything is same with this. This is same, except this sign. This plus is this plus. Here is this is plus, so this is plus, this is plus. But in between 7 and 5, for 1 एक बार प्लस होगा, एक बार माइनस होगा, एक बार प्लस दिस, एक बार माइनस दिस. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 by 4. So 12 by 4 we can write 3. 12 by 4. So this will be 3. Charge 4 3 is 12. So 12 को अगर 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 3 मिलेगा. And then this will be 7 minus 5 is 2. This is 4. So this will be 1. 2 से 1 जाएगा, 2 को 2 से 4 को 2 जाएगा. So ultimately 1 by 2. So this is the solution. Answer is x is equal to, sorry. So what we can write? X is equal to 3 and comma भी लिख सकते हैं exam bit, and then 1 by 2. So we have two solutions. One is 3, two solution of x. One is 3 and another is 1 by 2. We have two solutions because it is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation always will always have two solutions. तो मतलब quadratic equation का जो variable है उसका दो value रहेगा, because quadratic equation में square रहता है, तो square रहता है मतलब दो value रहेगा. Okay, so one is 3 and then is 1 by 2. This is just a simple solution of solution using the standard formula. This is a solution. So if you can solve this solution, you can solve any quadratic equation using this formula. Okay, so thank you. If you have understood, that is very good. If you have not understood, then you can ask me and you can consult with me if you have any confusion. अगर आपको कुछ confusion है तो मैं आपसे क्लियर करने के लिए ट्राई कर सकता हूँ. आप मुझे इन्फॉर्म कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए आपका फ्रेंड के पास, ताकि सबको ये नॉलेज शेयर हो जाएगी. तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग करेंगे उसका नेचर्स ऑफ रूट्स फॉर दिस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. तो ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का कब कैसे क्या वैल्यू होगा वो अगर नेचर हमको स्टडी कर सकते हैं तो हम किसी भी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का रूट के बारे में बोल सकते हैं. there will be various question in your exam regarding the nature of roots. So next time we will understand what will be nature of roots of quadratic equation. So you can solve the other questions in your exercise. If you have any question, if you want me to solve your any question regarding quadratic equation, then I can help you out. Okay, so next time we will see the nature of roots considering this standard format of quadratic equation, considering the solution of this standard format of quadratic equation. So that's all for today. Next we will start our next topic, the nature of the quadratic equation. कैसे कैसा हो सकता है एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का रूट किस तरफ का हो सकता है. ओके, so we will learn next time. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.